Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have Boxy Premium versus Boxy Premium for May 2020. And if you watched my April unboxing, I made a comment that the boxes were heavy and these kind of feel light. I don't know how I feel about that. Boxy Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items and each box retails for over $200. I will link my BOXYCHARM playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. And I have nothing on my face. We will do a try-on style. You guys seem to really enjoy my first impressions of these products. Let's start with the first box. This is what the inside looks like, and it even looks pretty bare. With BOXYCHARM Premium, you get to have a choice item, and I remember being very underwhelmed with my choice items versus my base box. I thought the base boxes for May had way better choice items, ones that seemed like they would be for premium. For this box, I chose out the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bronzer. This is the shade Luminous. I was digging through my collection before this video, and I have not tried this bronzer before. I don't really go for luminizing bronzers. I think they make me look a little too glowy, but I felt like this bronzing shade is actually a really nice one for my skin tone. The bronzers I did find in my collection that I had, it was a black heart packaging, and it had like a little pink or coral heart at the very bottom. I have the leopard one as well as the blue heart packaging. Hopefully it doesn't make my cheeks look too shiny. Let's do a swatch so it feels really nice, and that is what it looks like on my finger. You can definitely see the luminizing shift on the hand, but it doesn't look overwhelming. And this Too Faced bronzer retails for $30, so essentially you pay $5 more, and you can view it as the rest of the products were free. Next we have by Kevin Aucoin the Expert Mascara, and this retails for $29. I haven't tried anything from this brand before. I don't really know much about this brand except that it's a high-end prestigious brand. Kind of annoyed getting another mascara back to back because we got the Wander Beauty one in our premium last month, so I just feel like it's just very mascara heavy. I feel like you're either going to be very excited to try this right away because it is a bougie brand, or you're just gonna wait until the Wander Beauty one is done and over with. My opinion is just too much. I feel like a lot of subscription boxes are very mascara and eyeliner heavy. This mascara with Japanese Camellia seed oil volumizes, lengthens, and lifts for dramatic, glamorous lashes. So with that sentence right there, I'm gonna have very high expectations. Doesn't feel like anything special. And we have like a groove to the mascara wand. I don't really necessarily care for curling in my lashes, but volumizing and lengthening, hell yeah. Pitiful lashes over here. Next by KVD Vegan Beauty, we have the Ink Well Liquid Liner, and this retails for $20. As previously stated, boxes really like to include eyeliners. I feel like BOXYCHARM has been including a lot of KVD lately. It's actually a very unique shade. I don't have anything like this in my collection, especially in liquid form. I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh, she bright. And that is what she looks like. We'll give it a shot. I mean, it dried down super fast, so I think you just need to put a couple coats over it. I don't really use liquid colorful liners like this, but I think that'd be fun to change it up a bit. Instead of doing a full-blown look, maybe just doing a colorful eyeliner on the lid. Oh wow, oh, she gonna be on there. I mean, these are Ulta Beauty brand makeup wipes. It is struggling getting the swatch off. And I was just about to say, I guess KVD Beauty is still struggling to sell, even though Kat Von D is no longer associated with it. And that's why we're getting it in BOXYCHARM. That is just my conspiracy theory, allegedly. Excuse me. These Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set retails for $90. Little mini rant right here. BOXYCHARM really likes to put in inflated products in their boxes to make it seem like, oh, look at this value. And it's just like, no, I don't care about $90 brushes unless if they're gonna be Wayne Gross or what's that other one that Beautylish carries? Sonia something, I think. I don't know. I'll put a picture over here of both of the brushes because I can't recall them right now. I feel like I need to go to Michelle Wong's channel to see if she has reviewed anything from this brand to see if it's worth that much. She is the luxurious makeup queen. If you have not heard of her before, I adore her. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. I don't know. I'm kind of turned off by the price. The most that I have ever spent on a single brush has been $30, and that's on my Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki brush. And that's a brush I would continue to buy just because of how well it blends and buffs out my foundation. They kind of look like bougie Morphe brushes. I have Morphe brushes with gold handles like these. Yeah, they feel dense and nothing is shedding. Who would really spend $45 on one of these brushes? Maybe this brush, but even then that is pushing it. Yes, I know that this one's for powder, this one's for contour, but can't even write like F 5 or powder brush on them. Come on. Looks like, you know, you could probably bronze or blush and then contour, which I don't really do. Maybe foundation. Realistically, I think I'm only gonna get use out of the powder brush. Next by Tarte Sugar Rush. This is the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm and it retails for $12. Another conspiracy theory about Sugar Rush. I think it's very inflated. They have like eyeshadow palette on Ulta's website for $30 and the pan sizes look very tiny. Sugar Rush, I think it's geared towards more like teens. I don't know what the average age range for BOXYCHARM is, but I feel like this is just a little childish. I'm kind of hesitant on trying this. I have gone through my fair share of lip products recently. There's only like 1 or 2 working out for me and I don't want to just get one use out of this and toss it. It's already a mood kill with $90 brushes and then to get a $12 item is kind of like eh. And then the last product by Milk Makeup. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek and it retails for $15. So if this is a lip and cheek duo, it's kind of dumb to get 2 lip products. And this is the shade Astro. Oh, and I just ruined it. Trying to take off the protective plastic. Great. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's a cream product. I'm not the biggest on creams yet. I need to use my Tati Blendiful to try, but it's a very pretty shade right up my alley. Hopefully between this and the bronzer, we're not looking too greasy. For reference, I have Variation 45, and for the first box, I'm not really excited for any of the products. Nothing really wowed me. I mean, some things are cool to get, but I'm not like, oh, I really needed this in my collection. Unless if they work out for me, I kind of see them being decluttered sooner rather than later. Let's open the second box. This is what the inside looks like and no card. Fantastic. I don't know which variation that I got or how much everything retails for, so we are winging it. I do see 2 repeat products. We have another Tarte Sugar Rush lip balm that retails for $12 and they're both in the shade Peony, and we have another Milk product, but I got the shade Glimmer and it retails for $15. It almost looks very similar. It's definitely a little bit lighter pink and the other one is more berry. Next by the brand Pure Heals, we have the Centella 90 ampoule. Is this an oil? It's 1.01 fluid ounces and it's a soothing ampoule which contains Asiatica complex extract. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. I do have sensitive skin. Kind of want to see how this would work in combination with my Peach and Lily resurfacing mask because that made my face super sensitive. There is a very faint scent to this. The oil wasn't super light, but it wasn't super heavy. It was kind of in the middle. With just being on my bare hand, it does feel smooth, but it doesn't feel hydrating. So I think it'll work best with a moisturizer. I don't really know much about this brand. I don't think I've ever heard of it until now, but I'm hoping that it can work out nice in my skincare routine. If not, I could see myself passing this to Catherine because she has the most sensitive skin. Another product that I'm going to set aside for a giveaway is going to be this Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. This packaging is very pretty and this is what the palette looks like. It's a very pretty palette and I think so many people are going to get so much use out of it. And I just have so many palettes right now that I don't see myself reaching for it as much as I should. And we have another KVD product. This is the 24-Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. Luckily, it matched up my profile being dark brown. I haven't used a pomade in a hot minute. I used to be obsessed with the Benefit Ka-Brow. We will definitely fill in the brows with this to see. And then the last product, which was my choice item, I chose the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. Couple things. One, I feel like boxes have been very eye cream heavy, which is fantastic because I have dry under eyes. I know for me, I get excited trying out new eye creams, but I feel like the average consumer might get overwhelmed on having so much eye cream, low-key panicking, trying to use up everything before it expires. I just feel like between eyeliners, mascaras, and eye creams, we are good. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. My hand feels really soft, hydrated, and moisturized after that. It has a lot of expectations to beat. With my Ole Henriksen Banana C Eye Cream, something about Skin & Co. I've only received any of their products through subscription boxes. BOXYCHARM, IPSY, and FabFitFun. I've never gone out of my way to buy this brand. It's a very hit or miss brand for me. I really like the Gommage, and all their products smell the same. I guess if I had to choose one box over the other, I definitely think that the second box, I really like how I got got some skincare as well as makeup, as opposed to the box that had all makeup in it. Now we're gonna try on the product to see if our opinions are changed on any of these products. So before we prime the face and put foundation on, let's do a little bit of skin prep with this oil just to see how my face soaks in. It smells like a product that I have and I just can't put my finger on it. But my face does feel a lot smoother and hydrated after putting this on. And then for primer, I'm gonna take a pump of my Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. First, I was thinking one pump can't possibly be enough. It is the perfect amount. Naturally, I want to say ABH Dip Brow, but to try, KVD Dip Brow. And I'm taking my Sigma E65 brush. Well, I definitely made a dent in it. I feel like it does fill in your brow very effortless, unless if I just have a lot of product. I just hope it doesn't dry out super quick. That is the one thing about Kabrow that I didn't like. There's a decent amount of product in here. It is 5.0 grams and there's a 6-month shelf life on here. So that's a lot of product to get through in that time span. Now I'm gonna set my brows with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. Now I'm gonna take some of this Skin & Co. eye cream. Ooh, that's a lot. And I just took off part of my brow, setting it. I think my brow, for the most part, is back on. I'm just gonna take some of my Flesh Beauty Foundation and then set it with my MAC Mineralize. And I'm gonna set my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I don't think I'm gonna be applying eyeshadow in this look. I think I'm just gonna go in and try this on my lid. We typically see pops of color on the lower lash, but we'll reverse it and do a pop of color on the lid. I'm very scared to do this because I have not used an applicator like this in a long time, and I'm not gonna be attempting a wing liner. I just don't fucks with a wing liner anymore. Ooh, that is a bright eyeliner. It is very pretty. I did have to dip in a couple of times for inner portion, middle, and outer. What I like about this the most is that it dries down super quick, so it's not going to crease. That is my biggest thing with eyeliners like this, is when you put it on and you blink and then it creases. And just to give my bottom waterline some dimension, I'm just gonna add some of my Tarte Easy on the eyes. Let's see what a $30 mascara can do for my pitiful lashes. So I see that it's lengthening nice. This wand is making it challenging to separate my lashes. They all want to stay clumped together. I see it wanting to volumize, but since the lashes won't come undone, it's not allowing it to have its full potential. I see myself wanting to pair this mascara. I'm just gonna take some of my Tarte Big Ego to help separate them. They seem to have paired nice together. Too bad this mascara is on its last leg. We'll take the Baddington $45 brush. This has more of a point to it that I like in my blushes, but just wanted to give it a shot since I don't think I'm gonna be using it with the Milk Cream products. It's actually a very pretty bronzing shade. It's not as glowy as I had feared. I can also see you can build it up like we did on this side. It blended pretty effortlessly. On this cheek, let's take Astro. Can I take this mini Tati Blendiful? think I need a little bit more. Maybe I swirled on too much right there. Maybe this mini one isn't supposed to be for this, but I kind of helped diffuse it a little bit instead of tapping motions. Maybe I'll have better luck with like the bigger blendful, but that's being saved for a dedicated video. Let's try this chew. They're both very pretty shades. I think I was just able to get Glimmer to work a little bit better than Astro. And just to complete the face, I'm going to take some of my Ofra Pillow Talk highlighter. And then top the lips with my Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. And then I'm going to set the face with the Wander Beauty Glow Getter. I would love to know if you guys get BOXYCHARM Premium and which variation did you get? Did you get one of the variations that I got? And if you got different variations, what products did you get instead? And how did everything work out for you? And if you guys don't get Premium, do you guys get the BOXYCHARM base box? I know I am looking forward to my base boxes and I plan on doing a similar video as this style. And are you guys excited for Luxe next month? Based off the choices, I'm indifferent about it. I did not like how you had to choose either a pillowcase or a water bottle or teeth whitening pens for one of the categories, but then again, I feel like they put all of their effort into BOXYCHARM pop-up. I would love to know if you guys picked up anything during that. I think me, Joy, and Jackie need to go to Makeup AA after that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.